Hello, today you're looking at an Edsal Manufacturing steel mobile computer cabinet brought to you by Lanco. This unit has two adjustable shelves there, as you can see, and has one fixed shelf on the bottom. Also has a keyboard shelf here in the middle that slides in and out. It's fantastic. Very good conditioned unit, comes on 5-inch casters there on the bottom. It does not have any locks or keys, so if you need some keys and locks, you'll have to get those yourself. Overall dimensions of this unit: 26 inches long by 24 inches wide by 49.5 inches tall. Good quality construction. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.